Pisces, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for February 17 to 23, 2025. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. And thank you sa mga hindi nagsiskip ng ads. Okay, Pisces, let's see. What's up? What's coming to you this week for Pisces? Healthy boundaries. Yes, you are setting healthy boundaries ngayon. Pisces, alam mo na yung dinideserve mo, alam mo yung limit mo, no? So, hindi mo nahahayaan na i-take advantage ka ng iba. Kasi maaring iba sa inyo, like, bigay ng bigay. Like, itong pagbibigay, hindi lang to sa pera or material na bagay, ha? Pwede rin tong sa mga favors or sa mga, yung parang, lagi mo pinagbibigyan, may gagawin sa yung kalokohan, kasalanan, hinahayaan mo na lang. So, now you are setting healthy boundaries with the people na nagtatry na mag-take advantage ng iyong kabutihan. You are also healing from your past. This is healing sa puso mo, no? Kasi this is about green is your heart chakra. So you're healing your heart. So pwedeng para sa iba sa inyo, pwedeng literal, no? Kung meron kayong problema sa puso, health problems pagdating sa heart ninyo. But pwede rin tong, yung feelings, emotions, yung mga pinagdaanan nyo. So you are now healing. You are now setting healthy boundaries. Kasi naintindihan mo na kung paano mo mas pangangalagaan yung sarili mo. The shadow. Oh, may mga shadow work kang ginawa sa sarili mo. It's like being aware, no? Nagiging aware ka na doon sa mga pagkukulang mo or sa mga bagay na sumusobra naman sa'yo. At sa mga bagay na alam mong hindi nakakabuti para sa'yo. Oo. Or mga actions na ginagawa mo na hindi na nakakabuti para sa iba. So that's why knowing your shadow side, no? Yung sabihin na natin dark side natin, or kasi wala namang perpektong tao, meron niyang shortcomings, no? Na kaya nga tayo nandito sa mundo is for us to learn, to grow, to evolve. So yung iba sa inyo, you are now in the process of knowing your shadow, being aware about it, and then healing from it kung saan yun nanggaling. 'Di ba? Let's say meron kang mga habits na alam mong hindi na nakakabuti para sa'yo. So, paano mo i-resolve yun? Paano mo aayusin yun? Unang-una, kailangan malaman mo saan nanggaling yun. Bakit nagkaroon ka ng ganong unhealthy habits? So, kumbaga, aalamin mo yung root cause ng problema. And then, once you finally know the root cause, kung ano yung pinanggalingan nun, mas maiintindihan mo bakit ka naging ganun at maayos mo siya. 'Di ba? Mawo-work out mo na siya. Let's see what else. What is your overall energy? Three of Pentacles. You are collaborative. You are expansive. So, ngayong week na to, open ka for collaboration, working with others pagdating sa trabaho, sa business mo, or sa career mo. Maaring may mga taong makakasama ka for a project, to work with them. And maaring iba sa inyo, you are also growing your finances, growing your career. And then your challenge is the Ace of Cups. So as a challenge, pwedeng may nagsisimula na romantic relationship, no, for some of you, na pwedeng merong fears, na may takot kayo of getting into that relationship or situation, lalo na kung nanggaling ka sa isang toxic relationship in your past, na iniisip mo, ready ka na ba to get into a new relationship? So you have to ikaw yung magre-reassess ng sarili mo kung handa ka na. Kasi magiging unfair ka rin dun sa new person kung hindi ka pa handa, 'di ba? Kasi pwedeng meron ka pang yung parang mga gusto mo para sa isang relationship na hindi na ibigay sa'yo nung past, tapos pwedeng hanapin mo siya dito sa new person. Oo. And another thing na challenge sa inyo, if yung iba sa inyo ay pregnant, no, or merong pregnant sa family, at nasa first trimester pa lang, kailangan mas maging maingat, no? Oo, magpa-check up na or sundin kung ano yung sinasabi ng OB, oo, para makaiwas sa problema. Okay, so your opportunity is the Knight of Cups. Oh, yung iba sa inyo Pisces, meron talagang love. There's a new love coming or talagang nandyan na siya, no? Nandun ka lang sa point na hindi ka sigurado if you are going to try to get into this relationship. But I think naman, kung nandito ka sa point na nire-reassess mo yung sarili mo kung ready ka na, syempre ikaw yung makakaalam yan kung ready ka na. But what I see here for some of you, mukhang maganda naman yung intention ng tao na to. Okay? And then, your blessing. Uy, the death card. As a blessing, this is transformation, change, endings, and new beginnings. Okay? So, some of you, you might be ending a situation, a career, a relationship. Pero merong nagbubukas or magsisimulang bago. Okay? So, let's see, ano pa. For Pisces. This week for Pisces. Oh, ayan oh. Mirror. You're looking yourself at the mirror. On the mirror. Nire-reassess mo yung sarili mo. Di ba sabi ko sa inyo, you are facing your shadow or nagiging aware ka sa mga pagkukulang mo or nagiging aware ka sa mga bagay na alam mong hindi magandang pag-uugali mo. Something like that, no? So, you are seeing things clearly and alam mo na ngayon kung ano yung kailangan mong improve sa sarili mo to become a better version of yourself. That's why yung blessing mo is your transformation, yung pagbabago sa'yo. Crystal ball. Seeing seeing through things, no? You are mas lalong lumalakas yung instinct mo, yung intuition mo. And pagdating sa decision making, napaka-helpful niyan sa'yo kasi alam mo kung ano yung makakabuti para sa'yo. Excess baggage, may mga unresolved issues. I think itong mga unresolved issues mo, ito yung haharapin mo. Okay? Haharapin mo yun ngayong week na to and finally, you will be able to make a decision kung ano yung resolution na pwede mong gawin for that issue. Initiation, be open through this transitional time. See? Yung transformation, change, transition, yan yung nangyayari na sa inyo ngayon. I think you are going with the flow. You are surrendering yourself kung saan ka papunta, and at the same time you're working on yourself as well. Okay, so that is your reading, Pisces. Thank you so much. See you again.